So these EPLs are still original mechanically. I filmed these ages ago with my little camera. Still original mechanically. I was into epicest motor sound. Amazing leveling as well.
Level 3, elevator going down.
Love that voice. That was into some epic motor. Epic motor and epic leveling. Oh, that sounds nice. I love these EPL.
Ground floor, elevator going down.
This level's so fast. It's so good. Oh, yes. Yes, TK's ruined them, technically, but...
Level 3, elevator going down.
Go underground, try and get the other one. With 5. Interesting.
Ground floor, elevator going down.
Actually, it's going down. So the other one's just not gonna come? Okay, here it comes.
Elevator going up.
Oh my god, go away.
Going down. Floor, elevator going up.
Let's go through because I think I've annoyed the person free enough. Shit. Okay. We good. That was a weird behavior.
Level 2, elevator going up.
Okay, this thing doesn't run. This one does not run even close to as good as the other one. Someone's getting an idea.